The 2023 WEY Coffee 01 is a testament to the evolution of electric vehicles, especially from Chinese automakers. As the first fully electric model from WEY, the Coffee 01 is a bold statement of the brand's ambition in the rapidly expanding EV market. With a blend of contemporary design and a luxurious interior, it's clear that WEY aims to position the Coffee 01 as a top-tier electric crossover contender. On the exterior, the Coffee 01 exudes athleticism, characterized by its sculpted contours and a tapering rear roofline. Traditional front grills give way to a sleek panel adorned with the WEY emblem, complemented by slender LED headlights. The inclusion of alloy wheels, side sills, and chrome trims further accentuates its premium aesthetic. Moreover, its aerodynamic design not only enhances its visual appeal, but also optimizes efficiency by minimizing drag. Under the hood, the Coffee 01 is powered by twin electric motors, delivering a combined 429 horsepower, ensuring swift acceleration and impressive overtaking capabilities. The 93 kilowatt-hour battery promises an impressive range of approximately 300 miles on a single charge. The vehicle also supports DC fast charging, achieving 80% charge in less than 40 minutes. Additionally, the regenerative braking system efficiently harnesses energy during deceleration. On the road, the Coffee 01 promises a harmonious ride, courtesy of its adaptive air suspension system that effortlessly handles road imperfections. While it offers a stable drive, it doesn't necessarily venture into sporty territory. The steering response is intuitive, offering a genuine driving experience. Furthermore, the cabin's design effectively muffles external noises, ensuring a quiet ride. From a technological standpoint, the Coffee 01 is replete with features. The infotainment system is intuitive, offering integrated navigation, voice recognition, and the convenience of over-the-air updates. The inclusion of a head-up display, a 360-degree camera system, and a digital dashboard further elevates the driving experience. Additionally, the vehicle boasts an array of advanced safety features, ensuring peace of mind. In terms of storage, the Coffee 01 offers a decent 27 cubic feet of space behind the rear seats, which expands to 57 cubic feet when the seats are folded. While these figures are commendable, they don't necessarily lead the segment. However, the power-operated rear liftgate and the inclusion of charging ports and tie-downs enhance its practicality. The Coffee 01 is expected to be priced starting at $55,000, excluding incentives. While the exact pricing details and variants will be unveiled closer to its launch, it's confirmed to debut in China, with potential plans for a global rollout. Early reviews of the Coffee 01 are predominantly positive, with critics lauding its design, spacious interiors, and efficient powertrain. The vehicle's build quality marks a significant improvement over previous models from WEY. While it has its shortcomings, the Coffee 01 is undeniably a formidable entrant in the luxury EV segment. The interior of the Coffee 01 is a fusion of technology and luxury. The cabin boasts soft-touch materials, complemented by ambient lighting, creating a serene environment. A minimalist design approach is evident, with dual expansive displays serving as the focal points for both instrumentation and entertainment. The vehicle comfortably accommodates 5 adults, offering adjustable rear seating for enhanced comfort. The choice of upscale materials, such as leather and wood, adds a touch of opulence. When pitted against established players like the Tesla Model Y, Audi e-tron, and Mercedes EQC, the Coffee 01 stands its ground. It either matches or surpasses its competitors in various domains, including design, comfort, and tech features. Its competitive pricing further strengthens its position in the market, making it an enticing option for prospective EV buyers in China. The 2023 WEY Coffee 01 is a remarkable electric crossover SUV that showcases WEY's potential in the EV domain. With its extensive range, swift charging capabilities, plush interiors, and cutting-edge technology, the Coffee 01 is a testament to WEY's prowess. While its reception in global markets remains to be seen, the Coffee 01 has undoubtedly set the stage for WEY's ascent in the luxury EV segment. The launch of the Coffee 01 marks a pivotal moment for WEY, signaling its intent to be a global EV powerhouse. If this vehicle is a sign of things to come, the future looks electrifying for WEY. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.